We are paving the way for a smarter energy future by deploying modern grid technologies that offer a wide range of benefits to customers. And it starts with advanced metering. Advanced metering is digital technology that enables secure two-way communication between you and us. Once your meter is installed, you gain more control over your energy usage by accessing new online tools that display daily electricity usage and by adopting energy-saving tips. If there's an outage, we are notified automatically. Our crews can make repairs and restore your electricity with a faster response time. Deploying advanced meters impacts all aspects of our business. We have been designing and building the communications network and IT systems to support this technology, and conducting site surveys of poles and structures that will house the communications equipment. 3 to 6 months before a community is set to receive meters, new equipment, access points, and relays will be installed. Beginning in 2019, advanced meters will start to be installed, and as meters are rolled out in a community, we will provide more information to customers in the area. It's not much different than how you stay connected in today's digital world. Each meter is equipped with a network radio. The radio transmits meter readings to the electric network access point housed on an electric pole near the meter. This data is then transmitted to us through a secure cellular network. The access points, relays, and meters create a mesh of network coverage. Once your meter is installed, you may access your online account and view energy usage daily, displayed in 15-minute increments. No more waiting until the end of the month to view energy usage. You'll have better information in your hands and more control at your fingertips. Potential new programs can help you further reduce energy usage and better support environmentally sustainable communities. And we can continue providing safe, affordable, and reliable delivery of electricity.